Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use the plagiarism checker by Grammarly on the grammarly.com website. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So this actually checks if your work or text is actually original. This will check it. So you can also upload a file, but you can also input the text. So for example, let's go on over and type in a random website like that. So let's try and see if this detects it. Scan for plagiarism. And as you can see, we have found significant plagiarism by the Grammarly. So this is basically all how it works, guys. So for this to be solution, so I suggest to go on over and search for Quillbot so you can paraphrase it so you won't have issues on your text.